Hi, welcome to Custom Automated Systems Private Limited's Tech Talk on case downloading and bundling, appointment booking, and document generation. First, a little bit about myself. I am Wilson Fu, and I am an advocate and solicitor with more than 9 years of experience. I practice primarily in the fields of litigation and alternative dispute resolution, which includes mediation and arbitration as well. I have acted both as counsel and mediator, and I deal with both civil disputes and criminal defense. Other practice areas of mine include intellectual property as well as family law. The solutions that I will be discussing today are, firstly, Case List, which is our solution for case downloading and bundling. Secondly, ProQuery, which is our solution for appointment booking. And thirdly, DidPoll, which is our solution for document generation. Just a side note, all our apps are currently experimental and under beta testing, and we would be very grateful if you could give us feedback to the email address which will be shown to you at the end of the Tech Talk. First, we have Case List. You will be presented with 4 main options when you start the Case List app: the downloader, the bundler, the tab page generator, as well as the help page. So firstly, you can go to the downloader function. The downloader function allows you to open a file. It will then detect all the citations in that file. So for instance, you can open a set of draft closing submissions, or you can open the contents page of a bundle of authorities, or you can open a case or an academic article. It will then detect all the citations from 8 different jurisdictions. And the databases are for Singapore LawNet, or if you do not have a LawNet login and password, it will download from Commonly. It also downloads for the United Kingdom from Bailey, Ireland from Bailey as well, Hong Kong from HK Lee, New Zealand from NZ Lee, Australia from Ausly, Canada from Canly, and the Philippines from Lawfield. It can download in PDF or HTML format. Here is a video that shows you what happens when you download cases using the downloader function. As you can see, I'm selecting a case. It then displays a list of the cases cited in that file. You can select the format. Thereafter, you can key in the LawNet username and password. After you click on OK, you will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of LawNet. And thereafter, you'll be asked if you want to open another file. And the case is downloaded, and you'll see a progress bar and you can open the PDF. Next, let's move on to the bundler function. The bundler function allows you to create a new bundle or open an existing bundle. You can add citations downloaded by case list or add your own custom files. Here's a video that shows how you can use the bundler function, for example, by filling in the filing party as in the title, such as the plaintiff, the title of the bundle, such as a bundle of authorities, the court, such as the state courts, the case number, preamble, and the date of the bundle, as well as the font and font size. And you can also fill in the parties' names, as well as the options for generating the tab pages. You can then edit the index, and finally, you can export it all to a PDF. So as you can see, the export PDF button has been clicked and the index is being generated and converted to a PDF. You will be able to save the PDF, and after you click OK, it will pop up the PDF in your PDF reader, which includes the contents page, as well as the tab pages and all the cases that are in this bundle. Finally, We have a tab page generator, which is a simple utility to generate dividers. These can be generated in either docx or PDF format, and you can use these dividers in affidavits, bundles, submissions, mitigation pleas, and so on. Here's a video that shows you what it is like to generate tab pages. As you can see, 5 tab pages have been generated. Our next solution is ProQuery, which is an appointment booking system. This allows you to book appointments easily, and it turns the system into something like Grab for lawyers, accountants, and financial advisors. It brings together the legal tech and fintech worlds by creating a community of legal and finance professionals which can be easily found by members of the public. You can go to the URL as stated on the screen, and you can also sign up for a free account. You will be able to propose the date, time, and venue and cost of the appointment upfront, and after the appointment is confirmed, a calendar invite is automatically sent to both parties. First, the user will book an appointment with a professional. The professional can then either accept the appointment or counter-propose a different date, time, venue, or cost. And finally, the user will be prompted to confirm the appointment, after which the calendar invite is sent. Parties can also rate each other after the appointment, just like in transportation apps. For example, you can give the other party 1 star or 5 stars. The practicing certificate of the professional is also shown to the user to verify that this is indeed a professional in that industry. There have been new features in our recently released version 2. Firstly, you will be able to select available time slots of the professional based on a linked Outlook 365 or Google Calendar, as well as the available hours selected in the ProQuery app itself. You will be able to see in green the slots which are available and in red the slots which are unavailable. Next, there is also video conferencing, which is now built into the ProQuery app and is powered by Jitsi. This is an optional feature, as you can still opt to have a face-to-face appointment instead. There is also a Pay Now QR code feature where the user can directly pay the professional for the consultation fee. Of course, the onus is upon the user to check that this is a legitimate payment and that there is no scammer on the other end and so on. Special offer that was offered at Techlaw Fest was for 1 month ad-free for all new professional profile sign-ups, which is worth $79.99. Our last solution is DidPoll. DidPoll, as the name suggests, allows you to generate a deed poll. You can fill in your details and a lawyer, currently only myself, will contact you about the deed poll. After you fill in your details, it will generate a deed poll which you can view on your screen. Another function that it has is to generate HDB standard form powers of attorney. You can fill in your details and select the type of standard form power of attorney you want, such as for subletting and general management, or for sale or for purchase. And a lawyer, namely myself, will contact you about the power of attorney. After you click to generate the power of attorney, a sample HDB standard form power of attorney will be generated. You can also check out our other products, such as educational games and utilities, at the URL stated on the screen. This includes an educational game about COVID-19, about how our blood cells are able to fight the COVID-19 virus and other viruses. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please contact sales@customautosys.com.